Mornings are sweeter when you can wake up with your baby safely next to you. Introducing the Halo Bassinest Glide Sleeper, the only bassinet that slides across the floor to bring your baby closer to you for safe, sound sleep. Made with breathable, soft mesh to help you see your baby. And a retractable sidewall to help you easily tend to your baby in bed. Plus, a convenient storage pocket helps keep your baby's essentials right at your fingertips. The Halo Bassinest Glide Sleeper moves effortlessly across all floor types, and its height adjusts to fit most beds. It's our latest sleeping innovation, designed to be safer for baby and easier for you. The Halo Bassinest Glide Sleeper.
Cozy covers were designed for moms on the go who want their babies protected, warm, and secure, without the hassle of bulky baby clothes or thick onesies. On frozen winter mornings or chilly summer evenings, the Cozy Cover keeps your baby protected from the elements in ultra-soft comfort. Cozy covers are universally engineered with a shower cap design to fit all standard baby carriers. Each Cozy Cover also features dual zippers for easy access and seals your baby into durable, weather-proof protection. Cozy covers do not interfere with any of the child safety straps and keep your baby snuggled in warmth on cold winter mornings while your car is still in that deep freeze. You might need that jacket, but your baby doesn't. Just zip up your baby's Cozy Cover and off you go. With lots of color options available, you can keep your baby carrier looking fashionable all the time. The Cozy Cover, making your baby's carrier his or her favorite place to be while you're on the go.
The Bebo is a hands-free bottle holder designed to enhance feeding time for you, your baby, and your family. The Bebo frees up a hand during these precious moments, allowing you to read a book to your baby, massage and caress your baby, or even enjoy family meals together. The soft foam bottle holder rotates 360 degrees and holds almost any bottle. The Bebo is pediatrician approved and is perfect for parents who bottle feed with pumped breast milk or formula. Nursing moms have a free hand, bottle feeding parents should too. Using the Bebo is easy. Simply place it nice and high over either shoulder, insert your baby's bottle, and rotate to find the perfect feeding angle. You can even rotate the bottle upright for burping or playtime. The Bebo is lightweight, comfortable, and its flexible shoulder pad is designed to stay securely in place. Every parent that bottle feeds needs a Bebo because having an extra hand during feeding time is just plain awesome. Let the Bebo help with important family routines like reading a bedtime story during feeding time or having family meals together with your baby. These moments help develop healthy sleep and eating habits and begin your baby's love of reading. Whether you're a mom introducing a bottle to your baby, a dad who wants to snuggle their little one with both arms during feedings, or a babysitting grandparent, the Bebo makes the precious moments of life with your baby even better. Get a Bebo today for yourself or as a gift for a parent you care about. The Bebo, a better way to bottle feed.
My name is Mike, and I believe that poop does not belong on cute little fingers. And I'm the inventor of the Clean Hands Changing Pad. This is the only changing pad of its kind that features flexible sides that fold up to form a gentle guard between your baby's hands and the mess below. As proud parents of 4 beautiful, busy kids, we've changed a lot of diapers over the years. If you've ever struggled keeping your child's hands out of the mess at changing time, you're not alone. After dozens of prototypes and a lot of trial and error, I'm excited to introduce you to the most simple and effective way to keep those little hands out of the diaper mess during changing time.
When the barrier is in place, it keeps your little one's hands clear, but still allows them to move around and play with their toys. It also keeps their toys out of the mess, which is a huge help. The barrier is adjustable to fit your growing child, but also lays flat for babies who don't need that yet. The pad is big enough for any child still in diapers, yet folds small and compact to not slow you down when you're on the go. The material is water resistant, so mess is wiped clean in seconds. It It also has a 1/4-inch foam inside to make a diaper change comfortable anywhere.
Breastfeeding, a time of closeness and security. Pumping with the CALYPSO breast pump means your baby can receive your precious breast milk even when you're not there, whether it's because you're pursuing your well-deserved leisure activities or because you're at work. Your baby can still enjoy feeling close to you when feeding. The Ardo CALYPSO is offered in 3 models. The standard CALYPSO model is ideal for starting out and can be converted into a double pump at any time. CALYPSO Double Plus, using the double pump set, allows gentle pumping of both breasts simultaneously. With 3 different breast shell sizes and the soft silicone massage insert, you have the right pump set on hand at any time. CALYPSO To Go gives you the optimum in mobility. In addition to the CALYPSO Double Plus model, you receive, amongst other things, a breastfeeding and cool bag, 6 milk bottles, and, as an exclusive accessory, a combi kit handle is included to convert the pump set into a manual breast pump. With the CALYPSO, you get a remarkably quiet breast pump. This means you can pump discreetly at any time, for example even at work, when watching TV, or during the night. When you have selected the correct breast shell size to suit you, Ardo's vacuum seal technology ensures a high safety and a high level of hygiene when pumping. At no time can breast milk enter the tubing and pump. This closed system protects both the breast milk and the pump from contamination. Pumping both breasts simultaneously saves time and increases the amount of milk. Connect a second pump set to the white dual connector and plug it into the CALYPSO. The gentle, quiet and efficient CALYPSO breast is a user-friendly and compact breast pump. The extended warranty period and extensive range of accessories are particularly appreciated.